And a big warm welcome to you all. Thank you for tuning into my page. Please like and share it. I'd like to let this channel grow. You know, if I can help people out along the way, I will. You know, give some tutorials and stuff like that. Let me introduce myself. My name's Jez. I'm from Grimsby, UK. What am I all about? Well, I'm just like you all really. I like building things. I'm always building crazy things all the time. I'm a bit of old school. I used to use the clay, you know, and cardboard and stuff like that, and you know, use Bondo. That's what you Americans would say. Over in the UK, we say car filler. So I've been into this movie props for a while now. I'm a huge Robocop fan, as you can tell in the background with the Robocop props. You know, it all started off on the Robocop suit. I have the Robocop suit from the movie, and it all went from there, and that's what got me passionate into everything, into this sort of thing. And I started looking at 3D printers, and I was like, wow, they're really cool. You can build anything, you know. And I started off with a little small printer, what you see in the background here, the CR10S. That's where I started from. Then I got this big machine here, the Chiron from Anycubic. Absolutely awesome machine. Use this one all the time. I used that one back there for bits and bobs. You're probably going to ask what this big thing is here in a minute. I shall explain. But I mean, 3D printing, I mean, it's amazing what you can do. I mean, this here is the Robocop 3 machine gun arm. I'm the only one in the world with this. We designed the files, from reference photos from the movie and stuff like that. We've probably got this about 98% movie accurate. And this will be going on the suit, and this will be at the Comic Cons and shows on the suit on display. This is the sort of things. This is the sort of things you can build with a 3D printer. How amazing is this? Absolutely amazing. I'm well happy. Right, so been 3D printing a while now. I'll tell you in a minute. This here, it's huge. You're gonna say, well, what is it? No. Can you guess what that is? It's actually the Batman tumbler. It's the afterburner, what goes on the back of the car. You're probably thinking, wow, that's some building. Yes, this is all 3D printed, everything. It took me a long time this, you know, like I said, I've just been getting into 3D printing. I've sorted my settings out now for 0.4. It's been sanded, primed, and then I'll go over it again. I give it a little bit of sand and a little bit of fill where the imperfections are, because I like my products absolutely smooth. And yeah, you'd not even know that this was 3D printed. That's how good these machines are, and this is one of the reasons why I got a 3D printer. Now you're going to say, why are you building an afterburner? I gave you a clue when I said it down there. Right, like I say, I enjoy my movie props. I want to take you on my adventures, you know, and what I'm going to be building and stuff like that. I'm still going to be doing little builds on the other printers. I've got another printer down here. I'll show you what I'm up to, but before I do, I'd just like to tell you about it. You know, I used to go to all the Comic Cons in the UK. I used to go as my Robocop, and I used to go as Iron Man. And I used to see all the cars, and I used to go, wow, that's amazing. You know, when I saw the Batman car, the 89, I was like, oh man, it's phenomenal when you see them. It's just beauty. So I was like, I'd love to do something like that, you know, build my own car. So I did a year and a bit research first before I did anything. But the car at the moment, when I turn the camera around and I do the presentation on the car, I've still getting my machine work done at the moment. Just waiting for these two parts to come back. I'm waiting for my engine brackets to come. Once they come, then I get the parts here, the transformation on the car within a couple of weeks, you'll be like, wow, that's really shifting on. Well, this is the reason why I've gotten into the 3D printing. It makes life easy. It gets it absolutely accurate. You know, if you put the time and effort into the 3D printing and the prep work and the building it and stuff like that, you will get it absolutely bang on. I think that's the ghost to shut the door there. Come in. But anyway, so I started to build the tumbler. You know, originally I got a Dodge Viper engine for it. I got the I think it was 8.3 litre V10 500 brake horsepower engine for it. You know, I was over the moon. I was going to be the first person to put that kind of engine into the car. It was causing some complications, so I had to get rid of it. So I had to get a V8 Chevy. We'll show you where we are with the car. Let's go. And just like that, I'm now at the car. Right, what's happening is this is the actual Batman tumbler car itself. This is what it looks like on its bare frame shell. I do have the original wheels, what was actually on the movie car itself. There's all the tyres in the background. There's the front tyre there. These are screen used of the original. I just fell on my feet. So this is a car, but what I intend to do with the 3D printer is actually build the body from 3D print. I'll be the first one in the world to use a 3D printer to build the Batman tumbler body. It'll be phenomenal. I've got all the files to the car. I've got all the every bit of information about the car I have on the laptop. I've got everything. So this is what I've been doing. I'll start with the afterburner first because it's absolutely a huge piece. Then from there, then I'm going to build the wings down the side here, and then I'm going to build the windscreen. That'll be my next step. Roof, sides, and then once it's all done, we'll see what it's like, and then I'll probably cast it, or if it's strong enough and it's alright, I'll probably leave it to 3D print. You'd never know. You will not know it was a 3D printed vehicle. What gave me the idea was I saw a lad building a Lamborghini from a 3D printer, and I was like, wow, that's nice. And what it looked like in the end, it was phenomenal. But I think he used carbon fibre filament, and I've actually ordered some carbon fibre filament. I'm going to give it a go, see what it's like. If it is as good as what it says it is, then this car will be totally 3D printed, and you never know. You just got to put the effort in, you've got to put the graft in, you know. I've cut myself God knows how many times. But yeah, I mean, the engine's in position, the steering rack's in position, that's ready, everything's ready, it's all ready. As soon as I get my parts back from the engineering yard, click, 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 the car's done. No, sorry, I was lying when I said I was going to do the windscreen. I'm actually doing the nose cone, this part here. This is what I'm going to be doing next, is the nose cone. I've sliced it up on my computer with Cura, so that's all going to be ready to go. So I'm going to be building this, and then working my way around the car, doing the 3D printing. I'm looking forward to the challenge, don't get me wrong, but you know, if there's anybody out there that want to sponsor me, you know, you put all your logos everywhere, your Comic Cons with me, we can sort something out, so get in touch if you don't mind. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm just a guy in the shed, just building mad crazy movie props. It's what I enjoy. Yeah, that's about it really. So, but once this car's done, then I'm going to be building the robocop chair, and I'm going to be building a full-size cane out of robocop 2. I was going to do Ed 9, but I was like, I really like cane. So I've been working on cane a little bit in the background. I'm going to make him stand up and all that lot, so there'll be some steel fabrication. But like I say, the more you tune into my channel, the more things you'll see. I'll be going live on YouTube. You know, if I'm going for 8 hours, 9 hours, you know, if I've got a day off work, then I'll be in here. But probably weekends, I'll be live in here working. And I'll be sharing my journey with you all. What I get up to, I'll be interacting with you, you know, and stuff like that. I hope it's going to be good fun. That's what it's all about. I'll do some little snippet videos, you know, yeah, bits and bobs. But I'll tell you what I have been looking into. And little small 3D pens. Wow, it's amazing what you can do with them. So I might do some little videos of me doing that. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to get it right first time round, so there'll be mess ups and stuff like that. That's about it. But yeah, let's go back over there. See you in a minute. And there we are, back in my shed. Like I said, look, I've got a little 3D printer down there. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I've still got loads of bits and bobs to do in here. I've got to put some doors on here, just using some cladding board. I'm a roofer by trade, that's what I do for a living. But I would really love to get into this sort of work full time. I love it, it's my passion. It's what I enjoy doing. And if I can show, you know, share my passion with you all, fantastic, you know. Like I say, people ask me, you know, if I do commission builds and stuff like that. Yeah, I do that sort of work. I've done bits and bobs before. You know, it's a fantastic feeling when you give them the product in the end and they're like, wow, that's awesome. Makes me smile. Yeah, so I'm still getting on with this afterburner. I'm actually doing the back of the burner now. I started it, but I had a bit of a blooper on me 3D printer the other day. We don't get it right all the time. You know, this is the back. I'm about 4 inches short. I ran out of filament. Yeah, I know, tell me about it. These things happen, it's not the end of the world, because all I do is I just measure the size, what it is, and I'll just add 6 inches or whatever, and I'll just join it together. You will never know. So things like that, I can show you. It's not the end of the world if something happens. So I'm going to start that today. I'm going to start my machines back up today. I'm going to be printing the other side to what I've just shown you there for the back burner. On the smaller machine over there, I'm going to be building the fins what go on here, on this ring. On this ring here, there's the fins that go round, and then there's the insert, the flame flower. There we go. Anyway, yeah, so that's what's going to be happening. That machine's going to be struck up. I want to get this machine hooked up, so I've got all my 3 machines going, but I just ain't got the room at the minute, so I've just got to do a few alterations. This table's going to be coming out. I only wanted to place this on the table so you could see it, so normally I just do it down there on my small table where I do all my bondo in and car filling, sanding, spraying. But yeah, you know, I want to share my journey with you all. I hope you can join me. I am a comical guy, so yeah, I'm not going to be dead serious all the time. I will have a laugh with you, you know, but no swearing or anything like that. You know, if you come on the side chat, just have a laugh. That's it. You know, let's talk about movies, 3D printing, you know, what you like doing, that sort of thing. We'll just have a laugh for the day. But we'll also be learning bits and bobs, you know, because we all start off from somewhere. You know, I started from looking at YouTube. It helped me out loads. And I've just got to say thank you very much to all the people that have put their effort of going on YouTube and sharing their experiences. Much respect to you, thank you very much. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be here today doing the things I do. So everyone starts at the first level, and that's where we all go. So you've got to start off somewhere. So I'm in that position now where I can show you stuff, and it feels fantastic. And like I say, let's see how this channel goes. The first video was always a bit nervy because you know, but like I say, I'm enjoying my tumbler. Like I say, if I can get a sponsor, you know, it'll be. I'm not interested in money. I don't want any money. I'm just more interested if I can get machines and filament and stuff like that. Then I can do other projects. I'm doing that project, I can do that project. I'm quite good at multitasking. And that's where I want to go with this, you know. But your logo will be everywhere, and I'll be saying things. So every time I'm on chat, your logo will be in the background, it'll be in Comic Cons, it'll be Facebook. It'll be absolutely everywhere. It'll be fantastic for you. It's an opportunity for you as well. You know, I'm not reaching out, you know. I'm still going to do my builds. But if someone's interested, come and see me. We can work something out. Like I said, I don't want money. I don't want any money. I'm not interested in money. Because this is just a passion to me. It's just my love. You know, I'd like to see the channel grow. See what can be happening with it. You know, like I say, if I can help any of you guys out and just enjoy, you know, what I'm doing. And see what I'm up to, and you know, that's it really. Right, you've all been emotional. I'll see you all soon on the next vlog, or it might be live. Yep. Ciao for now. See you all soon. Peace out. Ciao.